Personally, one teacher who has really important to me is my math teacher, Mr. Joko. He was important because he always supported me and helped me become more confident in learning mathematics. For example, when I was in junior high school, I used to be afraid of solving math problems because I often made mistakes. But Mr. Joko always encouraged me. He patiently explained every step and told to me that making mistake is part of learning. Because of him, I started to enjoy studying math and felt more confident solving problems. Another reason why he was important is that he really cared about his student. He didn't just teach us math but also gave advice about how to work hard and never give up. For instance, when I filed my first math quiz, he told me not to be discouraged and offered to help me after school. With his help, I improved a lot, and on the next test, I got one of the highest score in class. That made me feel so proud and thankful to him. And in conclusion, Mr. Joko was very important to me because he helped me believe in my life and made me enjoy learning mathematics. The reading passage says that the university will stop running its own bus service. Instead, each student will get a $50 pass each semester to use on public buses and the subway. The university believes that will help students become more involved with the local community. And the conversation, the woman strongly disagree with this idea. She says it will be very inconvenient because some buildings like the DeWolf Science Centers are far from any bus or subway stops. Students will have to walk about 20 minutes through unsafe areas, which she thinks is dangerous and unfair. And she also mentioned that $50 is not enough. It will only cover about 1 month of transportation, and after that, students will have to pay by themselves. In a conclusion, she believes this new policy will make transportation harder and less safe for students, and it won't really help them connect with the local community. According to the reading, pictographs were the first kind of writing. They were simple pictures that showed about objects or ideas. But as time passed, people stopped drawing real things and began using symbols to show sound and word. And the lecture, the professor gave some example. The first one is the letter A. It started as a picture of a bull's head. The horns become the two lines on top, and the head turned into a triangle shape. That's how the letter A looked over time. The second example is the letter E. It came from a picture of a person praying. The body and arms were shown with lines. The body and but later people turned the picture and made it simpler. Now only 3 lines are left, like the letter E we use today. After listening, I understand that all pictures slowly changed into simple symbols, and as a symbol become the letter we use in modern writing. The professor talked about the paradox of technology. This means that sometimes a new invention that are supposed to make life easier actually make it harder. First, he gives the example of remote controls. At the beginning, they were very helpful because people didn't have to get up to change the TV channel. But now every device has its own remote, which makes things confusing. To fix this, a universal remote was created, but it's hard to use and program. So instead of helping, it makes things more complicated. Next, the professor mentioned mobile phones. They were made smaller to be easier to carry, but now the buttons are tiny, and people often press the wrong numbers. In conclusion, this lecture, I understand that the paradox of technology means that even through new invention and design to help, they sometimes make life more difficult.